Managing multiple medications? DivvyDose Online Pharmacy simplifies everything. Check the description for links. DivvyDose pre-sorts your meds into daily, labeled packs, delivered to your door. No more pill bottles. Perfect for chronic conditions, complex regimens, or caring for elderly loved ones. Sign up, provide prescriptions and insurance, and DivvyDose works with your doctors and insurance for seamless transfer. Your meds arrive in clear daily pouches, eliminating confusion and pill organizers. A licensed pharmacist is available for consultations and to answer any medication questions. DivvyDose sends refill reminders and delivers monthly so you never run out. Free shipping, and they accept most insurance. Our experience? Convenient and reliable. Medications arrived on time, accurately packed, and ready to go. Portable and discreet daily pouches are perfect for busy lives. Especially helpful for those overwhelmed by medication routines, less so for simpler needs or occasional prescriptions. DivvyDose, stress-free medication management. Intuitive system, personalized support, seamless delivery. Take the stress out of staying healthy. Learn more and get started, links in the description.